Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute cat on the swing in Procreate. I will show you how to do this step by step, from creating the sketch to the outline and filling it with flight colors and finally making it alive with shadows and textures. So you can draw this as well. In this video, I will only use Procreate default brush. If you're new here, I'm uploading cute drawing ideas like this regularly in this channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below, so you won't miss any further episode. Now let's get started. First, we choose black color and 6B pencil and sketching to draw the draft. Let's draw two big ovals first for the kitten's head and body. Then add her ears and hair on top. And now we are going to draw her face. And her whiskers. Then let's draw her belly. Next, we are gonna draw her arms, legs, and tail. Now let's draw the swing. Finally, let's add some flowers and leaves as the decoration. Now we've finished our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Let's use this dark brown color to draw the outline. Then change the brush to Studio Pen and inking. Now let's draw the outlines on a new layer. We can hold our pen on the canvas to get a perfect line after drawing, and then click the button on top to readjust it if you need. Now let's add some details. Then change to the black color to draw her eyes. Now use the pink color to draw her nose, cheeks, ears, and her paws. Next, let's give the background a light orange color. Then we're gonna paint the decoration on the background. Now we finished the outline drawing. Let's add the draft layer now. And then create a new layer below to add colors. And change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on the layer below. We can directly drag and fill different areas with different colors. Now let's paint the cat with white color first. Then paint the tail, belly, and her hair with a light orange color. Now let's create a new layer to paint the seat with this brown color. Next, let's disable the reference function. Then create a new layer just above the background layer. Then select the white color and draw a big flower shape as the background. Then we can use the Freedom Transform tool to adjust the shape a little bit. Then tap two fingers on this layer and change the opacity to 35%. Now let's add shadows. Create a new layer above the coloring layer and change it to clipping mask. In this way, the new drawing will only appear based on the parent layer. And change the layer blend mode to multiply. Now we can choose this light orange color to draw the shadows. Next, let's draw the shadows on the seat. Okay, now let's add some textures. Create a new layer here and change it to clipping mask. Then change the layer blend mode to multiply. Now choose the noise brush and the materials. Then we can use the same brown color to draw the texture around the shadow area. Same for the cat. Now we are done for the cute cat drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. See you next time.